Let's quickly understand map and flatMap, both the concept coming in Stream API from Java 8 onwards. In this session, I'm going to explain what is the difference between map and flatMap, where to use flatMap and where to use map. I will give you the real life scenarios. It will help you in your project task. Also, this is a very important interview questions, and I'm sure that many people is confusing. In this session, I will provide you the clarity. Please spend 5 to 10 minutes time here. You will see how the difference and where to use this. Okay, let me show you one example. Here you see I am having a names list of names here. So this is a list of names. So if you wanted to convert these names into this list of names, each names you wanted to convert to uppercase, how you will do? You will say names by using stream API. You will call here stream. It will give a stream, and on it for each, this is the element of the list, right? First element, second element, right? So on each element or each items, so what you will do, you will apply to uppercase. So you need to convert this to map, then you will apply the operations. Which operations you wanted to do? You wanted to do to uppercase. So then you can print it. It is simple. I will say system out method reference I will use. So you see, so this is a list of names, and what I wanted to convert each names into uppercase. So you see Naren converted to uppercase and Kiran and Ravi. So to convert that, what we did, we applied these two uppercase of each element. So we convert to each we apply this map function. We applied this map function on the map, we applied that operations, and we are able to make it uppercase. It's simple. Now let's say we are not only one list, we are having multiple list. Suppose we are having multiple list one and another list. Let's say we are having multiple list. So I will say it is a list of list. I will say list of string. I will say name list. It is a list of list. I will say like this. So this is a list of list. So if we print this list, how it is printing, you see. So let me change some name. You will see it is printing right list of list, one list and second list. So that means if I wanted to convert this list of list, so you see totally name list is this many list of list. I want to convert to uppercase. So here if you say, if you do as like above, I will say stream, and here I will say map, and I will try to do the uppercase to uppercase. You see that is it. We cannot apply because here yes is not a single element. It's like a list. Yes is a list. So we cannot apply to uppercase to a list. So that's why we can apply to array, to string, all these things. We can say we can convert to stream. Okay. So we can convert to stream. So what I will do, instead of map, I will use flatMap. I will say flatMap. And so flatMap, it will give that list of list. It will give a single list of stream. So it become a stream now, because you see flatMap is returning a stream. What it is doing? It is returning a stream. So flatMap basically what it is doing, it is combining these three lists into a single list as a stream. We will combine all the names, totally 9 names, we will combine into a single list, and on that list only we can apply to map and to uppercase. That operations. It's possible like this. Then we can print. We can use this method of print. It's simple only. You see. So this is for name list we are printing, right? So let me comment this also. It is converting to a single list, totally 9 names, you see. And after that, it is making to uppercase. So this map, where to use map? Whenever we wanted to convert or transfer each element, and we wanted to apply some operations. So here, each element we wanted to apply operations. It is a single list actually. So by using this stream, we call this map, and we are able to do. Whenever the data is a list of list, whenever it is in listed list, and we wanted to provide some operations, we wanted to apply some operations, in that case this map will not work. So what we need to do, we need to flat map. What it is doing, it is flattering. That means it is converting the list of list, nested list, into single list, and it is giving a stream. You see, flat map giving a stream. So on top of it, we are applying map. Okay. So now I will give you one more example of real life example. Let's say in a e-commerce applications, we wanted to order multiple items. So here we are having a list of orders. You see, it is a list of orders, and each order can have multiple items. So here order 1 and order 2, two list of orders. You see, in the orders we are having list of items in the order class. So if you wanted to apply a map of these orders, this is a list of orders, and you wanted to map. If you apply the map here, map function of the stream, what you will get? You will get stream of list. It is a stream of list. Okay. So it is a string of list as a stream. You see, if you wanted to print it, you can print it. So I will say for each dot out. Okay. It is printing. So you are getting list of string as a stream, because this map is returning a stream. Got it? So you will get a string, list of stream. And now if you apply on this same, let's say in these orders, you are applying flat map. Okay. And this flat map is flattering. Flat map, what it will do? This list of items, it will combine into single list, and it will give a stream. So each item is a list. So in this list, you are getting the items and you converting to stream. So this flat map is converting each list, sorry, multiple list into single list. After that, we are collecting to a list of string. That means it's combining, right? So if you print it, it will print like this. It is combining all the items and printing. See, book, pen, laptop, mouse. So both the lists is combined. This is flat map. This is flat map. And this is map. Whenever map means it is not combining. It is printing individual list. This is list 1, this is list 2. But flat map, it is combined. And on top of it, if you wanted to apply some operations, you can apply. So we are having, this is the basic understanding of flat map and map difference. If you have basic understanding and if you do a small coding here, then any kind of requirement will come, you can apply this flat map or map. I hope you are clear about it, where to use map and where to use flat map. Okay. So I can say map is a box. Okay. And flat map, it is opening that box. Okay. And it is combining into multiple list. Whenever nested list or multiple list in a like list of list, then in that case, if you wanted to apply some operations, you will go for flat map. It is flattering fast. Okay. So I think that's all about this session. If you really like this session, please like and please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you so much.